Let's learn L. The alphabet L. L is for leaf. 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 L. Leaf. L is for lion. 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 L. Lion. L is for ladybug. 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 L. Ladybug. L is for lollipop. 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 L. Lollipop. L is for lamb. 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 L. Lamb.